If you're starting out as a trader, I want to tell you one thing and one thing only. Don't buy anybody's courses, discords, signal services, whatever the heck they got going on. Don't pay for anything. Everything you need to learn as a trader is online for free. Just go into ChatGPT and say, let me find a free service that can teach me how to trade. Everything will pop up. And I thought about it. I said, all right, well, let me draw a line in the sand. What side do I want to be on? Prior to me making this video, I had another video and I didn't feel like it was being real. So I took it back down because I'm like, you know what? I don't want to be that YouTuber. I'm not going to get up here to make you think I got it made when I don't. I'm like, nobody's showing the real side to this thing, man. There's only a few of us telling you how much I've been struggling with actual trade, but that's just me being real, and there's not enough of that on here. I feel like if you're already a successful YouTuber, you already got hella views, right? You're making money from that, and you're supposed to be a good trader. Why exactly are you selling a course on top of that too? I feel like you're just being greedy at this point. Like, come on, man. Who taught you the game? And too many people are being lied to. Grown men on the side of the road in tears, breaking down because they got to give up their dream of trading. And that's not right, because I don't like people being taken advantage of. Is it open season on these trading gurus? Not for me, but I do know a person I would like to point you to. Check out his videos. Anybody that you got a question about, I'm sure he's going to find it and expose them for who they really are. And I refuse to be on that dude's bad side. And I'm just like, all right, what side of YouTube trading do you want to be on? And I want to be on the side that's keeping it real with you. That's going to say, hey, man, this stuff is not easy, but if you put the work in over time, then yeah, it will become easy. I got an old school technique that I still use to this day that I learned from Stephen A. Bigelow. And he got on here and he was teaching the game for free. I bought his book. This was back in 2012. Somebody's gonna be open and honest. And if I can give you all the game for free, then that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now, will I be showing you techniques from somebody that I trust like Jeff? No, I'll let Jeff do that because that's not my right to do that. But somebody had to teach me the game. And if I'm getting good at it, then I'm going to point you in the right direction and say, hey, I learned the game from this dude. I want you to go there. I'm not going to be selling you, rehashing his stuff and putting a price tag on it and telling you, yeah, sign up here for a month. I'm not doing that. Why would I do that? So yeah, channel content will be changing moving forward. We're still going to be talking about prop firms and everything else. And we're also going to be talking about techniques that you can use now that I feel like will help you in your trading. Free 99. I'm not going to be up here trying to charge you anything because it's not right to me. And I don't want more people sitting on the side of the road crying after they get their hopes and dreams crushed because they've been lied to. I refuse to be a part of that side, so I'm going to be a part of the other side. My name is Bruce Rain. And this, Trader's Ambition. Don't you give up on your dreams, okay? And you keep pushing as hard as you can. We'll both get there together. Peace. Let's get it.